Guru Nation, I wanted to make this quick video for you guys on will AI replace my job? I get asked maybe every day now with the advent of AI becoming pop culture basically. How will my TMF, Trial Master File job do? How will my medical writing job do? I don't know the answers at the end of the day. These are all my opinions. But what I can tell you is you need to do a deep dive. Ironically, I wouldn't advise against using AI to analyze and do a deep search on, like with a reasoning model, on your own job. And if that means posting your own job description into AI and asking it, how will AI possibly displace me? And what can I do about it? Now, here's the thing. If you want like a general answer, I do this all the time for myself as a site owner. I think site owners, I think business entrepreneurs, I did a deep dive podcast on this, are the ones that are able to use these tools first and leverage them, because we've built a skill set, those that work independently for ourselves, we've built up this skill set to where we are forced and we've trained ourselves to look proactively at the future. And yeah, there's a lot of hype around AI. But I heard on a podcast recently, I can't remember which one, we always overestimate the capabilities of a new technology initially, and we always underestimate them long term. And I think that's AI too. You saw last year, 2024, a lot of hype, a lot of buzz around AI. But at the end of the day, it was really just developing. It was like basically parlor tricks. I think, so we were overestimating it. I think in 5-10 years, we are underestimating what's going to happen. And you need to do a deep dive on your own job. What do you do at your job every single day? Map it out. I told you to use AI to do this as well, but I need you to do this. This is a good exercise for you. Map out what it is exactly that you do every day. Maybe every day do an honest audit on your own work tasks. And then next to that column where you map them all out, and maybe every day is different, so do it for like a week. Next to those tasks that you do, allocate a percentage of time you spend on them all on a weekly basis. And then next to those tasks, another column, allocate whether you are using intelligence to do that or whether you are using emotional intelligence. So intellectual capacity, which by the way, spoiler notes, AI can kill you at that, or using some emotional intelligence, meaning I have to convince someone to do something, I have to use persuasion to influence a site to do something, or is it just mundane tasks? Because those are the ones that are going to be replaced early on. The emotional EQ stuff, emotional intelligence, it's going to take longer, but the IQ stuff and the mundane day-to-day grunt work stuff, that's going to get done quicker. So that's how I would do a self-analysis on your tasks and start looking for ways that you can use these tools, because the next question is after that is, will AI provide me with tools to do my grunt work stuff better and easier? And will my employer then shift me more towards the higher value emotional intelligence stuff? Or do they not really need me for those emotional intelligence stuff, aka they might have an easier time replacing me? If you're in a job where you don't have very much emotional stuff going on, like emotional intelligence required work, which I call higher value, I think you're at risk. And I think I would do a self-analysis of this ASAP before somebody else tells you, hey, time is ticking. And then start looking for ways to consult, start looking for ways to get into maybe other positions, other organizations, to start doing higher value emotional intelligence type of work. Fear not, technology will change. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.